Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to the channel. This is Tanya at Side Gig Crafts. Guys, we have another entry for the birthday challenge giveaway today. This one is from Clarissa, and or Karamia, as many of us know her. I cannot wait to see what's in this package. So let's check it out. Make sure that if you are entering the challenge, you get your entries in before August 31st. That is the deadline for postmark. I did cut this open and peek just a little to make sure that this was actually an entry, but I have not looked at it yet. So let's pull it out and see what she has sent, because this is, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is so fun. All right, let's, what did you do, my friend? She's so sweet, you guys. You'll love her. Go check out her channel because she is an amazing crafter and such a sweet friend. Love her to pieces. Is this like a fanny pack? I'm not supposed to be getting into this yet, but it's a Kipling Cool Pink. What's it called? It's called a, I mean, it's a little tote. I love this. Thank you so much. Okay, let's peek in here. That looks like candy. What has she got going on? Hope you will like it. I know I will like it. Oops, I probably shouldn't have pulled there. What is happening? Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness. It's stuffed full. What did you do? You're spoiling me. What's little birthday between friends? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Dear Tanya, a very good reason to celebrate. Here's to our friendship and here's to you. Happy birthday. And it says, P.S. Hope you can work your journal making magic and make an amazing journal with the address book and some extra jean pennants for your traveling journal. Oh my goodness. Let's do it. We're going to do that. Thank you so much. That's awesome. I was wondering if that's what those were for. I'm going to make some out. I think I might make another one because, well, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Oh, let's see what this is. I think this might be her ATC card. It says Friends Forever. Look at the little unicorns on the clouds. Such a cute bag. Thank you. This needs to be in that journal too. And she's got her ATC card. Look how cute it is. Look at the little fairy. And this little floral, little flower skirt. So cute. She's got a little charm on here with butterflies and beads. Super cute. Look, she's stitched around. She says life is but a dream, and she's got a little postage stamp on there too. That must be a theme. I'm getting lots of postage stamps on the ATCs. And she did some she did some mixed media with some paste back here and a stencil. Can you see it? The little tiles and some metallic. She's got some glitter around the edges. It looks like maybe like a Wink of Stella pen or something. I'm not sure. So pretty. I love it. Look at her little face. She's so cute. Looks so innocent. Let me check back here. She's got, okay, creation of beauty is art. That's for sure. And look, it's got a metallic on there too and some lace. Give me a little pocket for this, but I don't want to show you until I read it. Okay, I can show you. So it's confession. She put her information on there. Her style is whimsical and vintage and eclectic. Me too, mostly. I don't know about whimsical. I don't know if I'd say my stuff is whimsical, but I do like it. And then her birthday is January, March, and she named the ATC Garden Fairy. Very, very cute. Love that paper too. That's so pretty. So we've got a beautiful ATC card. I can't wait to put all these in my book. I'm having so much fun seeing them all. And then we've got the San Francisco. San Francisco wasn't so sunny. Tech Bear. And this is this a wood plate? Is this like a piece of wood? What is this? It feels like it. Is that what you did? It would be easy in San Francisco to find postcards and things that are similar because it's such a highly traveled. Hi, Tanya. Happy birthday. Hugs. Paper Confessions with Karamia is her channel. And it's from 2026. That's really cute. San Francisco stamp. That is really, really cute. And it smells good. It smells like cut wood. Thank you so much. This is beautiful. I'm actually probably going to end up hanging this one up because that's just so fun. I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then let's see what else she made. She sent some candy, it looks like. I wonder if this is this like rice candy? I'm so curious. I want to open it. Is it candy? I'm assuming it's candy. Maybe it's not. Is it? Oh, I want to open it, but I don't want to ruin it. Let's see what it is. Maybe it's an eraser or something. So I don't, oh, it's not. Oh, I'm so glad I opened it. Look. It's a little, like a little ceramic little thing. How cute is that? Thank you for sharing that. Here I was thinking it was candy. I wasn't going to open it. So glad I did. That's cute. I'm not even going to put that back in there. I don't know if it's ceramic or plastic resin or something, but it's really, really darling. I'm going to actually put it on the shelf just above my desk because I don't want to put it away and lose him. Thank you for sharing that. I'm going to use the bag for crafts. Is that, I wonder if this is like for luck or something. If somebody can tell me, let me know. That's so cute. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then she gave me some pockets. Look, these are awesome. Oh, I love it. And they've got the backing on them, so they're already a full pocket. Did you sew these? Did you cut and sew these, or did you get these from somewhere? These are darling. Thank you. I'm going to definitely do some magic with those. We're going to have fun with those. And I'm thinking about maybe making a separate journal because I think the one that I made is too small. I started watching some more of the traveling pant journal or traveling journals, and I think the one I made is too small for what we need to do. So there may be a second one in the future. Maybe this one. Let's see. This is the journal or the book that she sent me. And this is, I'm supposed to work my magic on this address. Oh, on this address book. It's an address book. What? Which means it's got pages of stuff in it. That I think this needs to be an art journal, don't you? Don't you think it needs to be an art journal? I'm going to have so much fun with this. Thank you for this. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Clarissa. This is beautiful. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to do some magic with it. So, you guys, this was such a fun little experience. I am just feeling so pleased. And then I can put lots of things in here. This is nice. I was actually talking today about maybe taking a class at the college, just for fun, just for funsies. And so maybe this is something I can use. Look, it's got little pencil holders in there, or pens, or paintbrushes, or whatever. That's so sweet. Thank you so much, Clarissa. I really appreciate it. We need to, okay, we've already got this from San Francisco, so that's California. I'm going to show you guys the map. We already have California on here, so that's an extra entry for California. California's beating us out. Of course, I'm in California, so I don't mind that so much. Isn't that sweet? We've got so many states already started. So make sure that you get your entries in so that you'll be counted. Remember that you have to have it in or postmarked by the 31st of August. So once again, thank you, thank you, thank you. This is so sweet. You guys should go check her out, her channel. She's an amazing crafter and such a sweet, wonderful friend. So thank you for that. I hope you guys have a great day, and I look forward to seeing the next one. Bye-bye.